It is important to understand what are charts and why we invest our time and other resources on creating them. What additional value we are generating by converting our data in the form of charts. So let's start with the basics. Chart is a visual representation of numerical data. It can make your numbers more understandable. Charts represent our data in the form of pictures, which often helps us to spot trends and patterns that otherwise go unnoticed. Let's look at an example to understand this. Here we have monthly sales data of a company, and let us see and try to identify the pattern in this data. So you can look at this numerical data. I'll give you 10 seconds to analyze this and identify the pattern. I hope you have identified the pattern. Now let's look at the chart of sales of another company and try to identify pattern there. Again, you have 10 seconds. I hope you have noticed the difference between the two scenarios, and I'm sure that you would not need 10 seconds to identify the pattern in this second chart. In case of company B, you can easily interpret that the sales are higher in the middle months of the year, whereas you need much more time in interpreting the same result for company A. If we had millions of values instead of just 12, it would be almost impossible for us to interpret the hidden patterns by just looking at these numerical values. Charts become more and more important as the size of data increases. So with this backdrop, in the next video, we will look at different elements of charts so that we can start our journey of different chart types.